So over here you can see that I am in my favorite base and I don't have any favorites on my favorite bar. So if you want to import out favorites, then you can click on the three dot button and then click on import favorites. Once you do that, you get to the import option right here and you can go around and choose what to import. So right now we are focusing on importing an HTML file. So if I were to go around and click on choose what to import, then this is the dialog box that appears. If I were to go around and choose, you can see that I have an option to choose other browsers or even password CSV file. But in my case, I'm selecting favorites or bookmark HTML file. So now what I need to do is click on choose file and it opens up my Explorer window. And now I can select the HTML file that I want to import and then click on open. Once I do that, what happens is that all of the data will be imported, and over here in favorites, now you can see that the favorites of that particular file has been imported, and you can access out your favorites as you can see just like this. And that is how you can import favorites from HTML file inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.